How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another quant update for you. We'll start off on the daily time frame. We've also got some very exciting news, so please do stay tuned for the full length of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Over 50% of you aren't subscribed, and these are the metrics that YouTube uses to push these videos to like-minded people like yourself. So go ahead and like and comment underneath this video for the algorithm. So still ranging between this $94 to $100 support and this $115 and $120 resistance over here. We've been talking about this key area between $105, $107 and $110. We'd like a break above $110 to create the reversal wave and head to these targets over here, which is the ascending resistance. That is the validation point of this head and shoulders pattern, with targets down at $77 to $83. Only those targets will only be met on the loss of 94 over here. This area between 94 and $100 needs to be lost. And so for that reason, while we are above it, it remains support. And every single time in my Discord community that prices come down into here, it's been a signal for a buy, a long-term buy, not necessarily to trade. That's down to you, but more like we're using this as an investment tool. So we see back on the daily that we're still beneath the 55. This is telling me that we're keeping this downtrend. We're trying to go lower. But, you know, if Bitcoin decides to wake up, then quant is going to wake up as well. We've also had some incredibly bullish news today about the Overledger and how it's been implemented today for everyone to use. But yeah, we'll look into my Twitter soon. Let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. In fact, yesterday I made my video over here. We had a very slight close above, but as we've been saying on the channel, we need multiple 1 hour candles closing above, but also holding this as support. You see how we had multiple wick rejections to the downside here? We need to see that above 107. And in fact, in yesterday's update, I said even if we do go down from here, as long as we hold the 200 EMA, so you can come down to the 200 EMA, this is keeping you in an uptrend. Look at that, guys. If you set alerts over here, you could have had a buy order or whatever to trade. Obviously, most of you don't trade quant. There's not many platforms where you can actually leverage it as well. There are a few. But let's see what it is up from the 200 EMA, currently up 1.5%. So yeah, it's down to you guys. But yeah, it's just an opportunity to long-term buy again, essentially, guys, because this is what's keeping that uptrend. So yeah, that's what we're seeing on the 1 hour time frame. Pretty much that what we were suggesting, that if it does fail to break out, this is still going to hold you up in this uptrend, give you opportunity to still break out. We're still seeing this being held as support, which was previous resistance over here. We need to see that continuation for breaks to the upside. And again, yes, a break above this would be good. It would signal a pump towards the 618, but as we have a psychological level just slightly above, which is $110, really and truly to create this reversal wave to head to $115 and $20, we need to see a break of this location. Until those very moments, again guys, there's still risk of dump. We've seen that yesterday, but what is keeping us in this uptrend is this purple support as well as the 200 EMA. So please do understand, if this is ever lost, this is how we start to retrace all the way back down, wanting to retrace down to 94 and $100. Not necessarily that it will. There are other key levels of support beforehand, 102 and so on and so forth. We can see that on the left as well. Previous resistance, now support, 100 as well. Sorry, 101, my mistake. So yeah, there are some supports, but at the moment still holding the 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. This is looking great. Sorry, I keep knocking my computer and then the mic keeps vibrating. So we'll head over to my Twitter now. Click the links in the description below and follow me to my Twitter over here. It's the blue tick Louis_crypto. Thank you guys for 2,000 followers. Let's head over to my likes over here, and there's some news. I'll talk about the Hong Kong index in a second, but let's find the Overledger. Yeah, so as of today, Overledger platform is officially accessible to large enterprises, SMEs and developers for the first time. So yeah, pretty much everyone. The same enterprise grade technology that has been used by the central bank / institutional customers of quant to date. So yeah, I'm not going to read out the article. It's really, really long. I'll let you guys, oh, it's not even that long, but I'll just link it in the pinned comment section below if you're interested in reading that. Yeah, we had already in a long since 99. Nice to get in on the time for once. Yeah, so using the information that's in the videos. So, of course, VET, I know this is a quant video, but we'll get into that. Of course, VET is among only 30 other cryptocurrencies that make the HKVAX virtual asset index. So I have something else. Yeah, more positive news for VeChain from Hong Kong. VET to be included in the large cryptocurrency index by Hong Kong. So if I click on that right now, we can see the list, and it starts with, yeah, absolutely wrapped Bitcoin. But yeah, here we go. The ones that we are interested in, look, HBAR, VET, Quant, Phantom, all coins that we cover on this channel. XRP here as well. So this is going to be a build up, and yeah, you'll be able to I guess invest into it. So you're investing into all of these coins in one go, pretty much. So you'll be an owner of each one technically. But yeah, or I was gonna say shareholder, but yeah, this is great news for Quant. Essentially, you know how everything is illegal out in China, Hong Kong, and whatnot, and now we're seeing such great moves like this. Incredible, yeah. So massive moves from Quant. Time to stock up and fill in the Quant bags. Of course, Quant themselves over here. Do I even follow Quant? No, guys, I'm so sorry. Today we launched. I obviously saw the tweet though. Today we launched Overledger platform, making the same enterprise-grade technology that has underpinned our projects with institutional and central bank customers to date, accessible to all for the first time. Yeah, it's just pretty much repeating what we already said earlier. So yeah, long term, this is another great thing for Quant. We had some great news the other week where we pumped and then dumped afterwards, because you know, in the very immediate short term it's great, long term incredible, going to increase the bull market targets, but then you know, it's more of a sell the news sort of event. So we're not really seeing the biggest of reactions today, but immediate short term, you know, it's a great thing. Short to mid term, you know, not so great. It's an event where people can just sell, of course, while everyone's getting excited. You get dumped on, and that actually could make sense, because look where we are right now. We're at the golden pocket. We're yet to create the reversal wave. This is still a path that technically should happen out of the rule book of the Fibonacci. It's not what I personally think. I'm just relaying the message of the rules, and the rules should suggest that we should dump off from this location and lose this low. But of course, understanding there's a lot more things than just the rules being in place. We can invalidate that, of course. Bullish patterns have a 66% chance of breaking out to the upside. It feels so bullish. Why is there such a big chance of going down? A 33% chance of not going the way it should. And that's what the Fibonacci is pretty much telling you, that this is the expected path. But why are there Fibonacci targets higher then, if that's the expected path? Why are there targets up here if downwards is the expected path? Because it's getting you prepared. If it goes wrong, this is the next path. So it's pretty much what I do on the channel every single day. If you want to learn this for yourself, I do still have discounts that will last for the next 3 days until the first, well, 3-4 days until the 1st of July. Again, I have one more slot on my mentorship plan. I've got a few people taking action on the course. That's unlimited until the 1st of July. Just click the links in the pinned comment section. Click the buy me a beer. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so through this point. Otherwise, yeah, you can see people taking action, or click the booking section where you'll get the course over here for life and have 3 months free in my Discord community. What we're going back to Quant right now. Of course, for the bulls out there, and pretty much all of us are, we want to see Quant breaking through this level. Without doing so, there is that risk of this, and we're seeing a news event occurring right now. So, of course, long term, this is great. But yeah, whenever we see these in the past, we do actually look massive pump, and then eventually retrace pretty much almost the whole thing. Now trying to retrace back to that point over there. This is what stands in the way. And then potentially this could happen. We're trying to invalidate that by creating the reversal wave and doing something like this and breaking up into about $115 to $120 up here. Let me know what you personally think is going to happen with Quant going forward. That's it from me today. Hope that was nice and informative for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, as these are the only metrics YouTube uses to push these videos out to you guys and like-minded people. And I'll catch you in the next Quant update tomorrow. Thank you guys. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You will gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.